Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you import or upload your list into your Teachable course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload or import your list into Teachable anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to a new service provider. And when you switch over to Teachable, you need to be sure to bring your students with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know this is a test account. So in order for this to accept your list in a spreadsheet form, you need to have the paid upgraded plan. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But if you're going to go ahead and import your list here on the left side, you're going to click on users. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all your students you have inside your Teachable course. You can see I just have this one. And to import your student list or upload it, click on add students here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you'll see these two options, manual and import. Go ahead and click on import. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the import button. So as you can see, you need to have at least the business plan and upwards. But as long as you have a sufficient paid plan, then you should be able to import your users here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your list into Teachable, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.